All right, guys, here's another Filmora how-to video. Now, this one is motion tracking and blurring objects. I was asked today, actually, one of my fire training classes, that they were curious if you can actually blur out one object that is moving. Because, you know, if you're holding a piece of paper and you're going like this all over the place, and you don't want nobody to see it, it takes a lot of time, especially with like Adobe, and there's a few other ones I've looked at that it takes a lot of work to start following that object that's blurred out. So first thing we do is we upload our media, and we're gonna just drag it down. Now the nice thing is you can mute the audio, don't gotta worry about it. So I'm gonna play this quick video to show you what I'm trying to do and explain it. So here's my son in his messy room. He's just looking at his phone, just moving it a little bit for minor movements. Now he's gonna pick it up a little bit, and he's gonna do a spin. Now, most programs you do and have is going to have a hard time finding that image because it's totally different. First, you got the green, now you got the black. But what we'll do is come over here. I'm just going to double click the video. Click on, it's normally in basics, go to AI tools, motion tracking. Let's turn that on. Now, you can take your box and custom make it for whatever size you want. There you go. I'll make it a tiny bit bigger. That way, when he spins around, it looks like it. So we're going to go over here to click the motion tracking. It's going to track it. Right now, it's doing a pretty darn good job. My hands are off my keyboard and mouse. It's going to start tracking it when he lifts it up. It's still a bigger image, which is fine. Now, when you start spinning the circle, you'll notice that it loses the image. It can go from green to black. Right there, it loses it. That's a problem. So how do we adjust that? Pretty simple. Let's go to OK. We'll take our little arrow here and just go to where we start to lose it at. Remember, you can use your left and right buttons on your keyboard. Now, all I'm going to do is take this image here and start clicking it here. It's starting to see it again. So we'll click on this again, start motion tracking that area. So far it's doing a good job. Good job. Done. To be on the safe side, we'll just fast forward through it. Just watch it go through there. Doing good. Still tracking it. Still tracking it. Done, spun around. Tracked it. No issues at all. Awesome, right? Now, what do? We need to add a blurring effect, but we can add a mosaic. Really darn simple. Make sure your mosaic is the same size as your motion tracker. Okay? All right, let's try it like this. All right, hit play one more time. Let's see how it does. Once again, my hands are here, not touching anything. We can adjust whatever we have to do. Minor adjustments. Right there is a little glitch we see, right? So what we can do is just back it up a little bit. Right there is a problem. Double click on here again. We want to see our box again, and we'll move this over. Move that there. And we'll put that here. Click OK. Back it up a little bit. Hit play. That's not bad. Let's back it up one more time to take a look. All right, there's an issue. Let's move the mosaic over here. Make it a little bit bigger. You can custom your own mosaic as well, your own blurred image. You can put whatever you want on there. It can be black, it can be blurry. That's it. I mean, he's moving around a lot, right? But like I said, guys, this is just a very fast 5-minute video on how you can do motion tracking with a lot of movements, and you can blur out whatever image you want. I hope this really does help you. Hopefully you like it, but I'll see you next time.
This one's for the firefighters. This one's for the firefighters. Firefighters.